So these are the 32 apps that I use on an almost daily basis to help me be more productive and get my work done.
We're doing none of that. We're going to be talking about one app and one app only, and it's going to make your life 1% faster, 1% more productive each and every single day. It's an app that you don't even have to worry about opening. It's like using Command C instead of right-clicking to copy and right-clicking to paste. I don't know who's using 5 to 10 apps each and every single day. I often forget to, and I'm more of an Apple Notes type of guy, so I'm going to keep this video very simple for you, and let's get into my laptop and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this is a Mac OS app. I tried finding a Windows version of this app, but I couldn't. I'm sure Windows probably has a similar app that does the same type of function, so if somebody knows about an app like that, please comment down below for everybody else. The app is called Alfred, and I like to think of this app literally like Alfred from Batman, who can help you find things, give you things in a timely manner, with someone like your personal assistant. So this app can help you find files right away. It can help you drag and drop things in a quick manner, and that's what I use it for. So the app kind of works like your Spotlight tool, but Spotlight tool is pretty limited because Spotlight tool, you're mainly, like in my experience, I've only been able to find like major apps, like if I want to find Lightroom or if I want to find some kind of an app, I can use Spotlight tool. But I tried using it to find files, and basically the way to find files using Spotlight tool is using kind, comma, and then your file name. But oftentimes, like, that's way too tedious, and I wish you could just type in the file name and it pull it up for you. So the major pain point that this app really solves is basically avoiding going through like 20 folders to find one file. And oftentimes, sometimes most of the time, I even forget where I save things, so I just know the file name, so I just type in the file name and I'll find the file and figure out where it's located. That's what I use it for. But there's many other ways you can use it. So there's going to be 4 ways I'm going to be showing you how. The first one is the way I use it, which is using it for file search. Second, using like keyword search, like Googling it with it. You can use it as a calculator. You can set up hotkeys with it. And you can also create your own shortcuts using other apps. So I'm going to be showing you all of these things in this video and how I use this app. So the first way I'll be showing you how to use this will be how to use file search. And that's the main way I actually use this app. So it's as simple as this. So all you have to do is press Alt spacebar, Alfred comes up. And now all you have to do here is like type in open BLS. Now basically what I want to do at this moment is I want to send my BLS certification to myself as an email attachment. So I have 2 options now. I have a folder named BLS, so I can literally press Command Enter and it will show me where the folder is, and it will show me the contents inside the folder. And from this point you can just drag and drop whatever is inside the folder. But let's say you have a folder that you don't want to open up the folder, it has way too many things inside it, so you just want to drag and drop a file. So all you got to do at this point is Alt spacebar, open BLS. I know this second file is my BLS certification, so all I do at this point is drag and drop, and it's as simple as that. It's from the Alfred app. I didn't have to do anything else, just drag and drop it. Now what would you be doing if you were an NPC? You'd be trying to find, so attach files, cloud, I'd have to scroll, I'd find my folder, UCD, BLS, and then I found my 2 files. That takes way too long. Like, I'm not doing that every time, okay? I can show you another example. So let's say I want to post on my Twitter, I want to post a picture of an art gallery I went to recently. So I know that art gallery was Dublin Art Gallery, so I have a folder, Dublin Art Gallery. So now I don't know the names of each of the files in that folder, but I can open it, right? Like I can open this and there you go. And it will just come up with all the pictures inside of it. Now all I have to do at this point is drag and drop. Now I have a picture that I can post on my Twitter. Another cool way to use this would be, so now same thing again, Alt space, and you can search for websites. So let's say I want to go on YouTube. I want to go to Abdul R. Sayed, ChatGPT, my old video. There you go. I found my account, my YouTube channel. Now this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my video, my YouTube channel, and I would really appreciate that if you're liking it so far. Another way you can use this is the way I just searched YouTube, you can just search any website like that. So you can go like Google diabetic keto acidosis. Boom. Quick and easy. Quickly we got on Google, no problem there. Now you can just be like, I don't know, Facebook photography. I do this all the time. All the time I'm just using Alfred. I've forgotten how to attach files myself because I just find them and drag them and drop them. It's way too much of a hassle to me to go through each of my folders and then try finding that exact file I need and then dropping it in there. So there's some other cool ways that you can use this app. For example, you can use it as a calculator. You can 100 plus 10 and it'll make that calculation really quick. If you want to use it as something that, like, if you want to shut down your computer, which you probably never will because you have too many tabs open like myself. I wonder if you can tell it to sleep. You can tell it to sleep display. So there's a number of cool things that this app can do. You can even make workflows and you can make your hotkeys. I don't get too much into the weeds with this kind of stuff just because, like, I'm a simple person. I like just using it for finding files, dragging and dropping, finding files that I have no clue where they are or I haven't used in a very long time. So I don't feel like I love using it the way it is. You could upgrade, but you just get so much value out of the free version that I don't see myself ever upgrading. So I love this app, and it sounds silly, it sounds really stupid that we're talking about an app that, you know, is basically like Spotlight search, but it literally saves so much time. These are the little micro adjustments that get me going because, you know, it's such a small thing, but once you start using it, it's very, very difficult to not use it. I switched over from a Mac to a Windows laptop right away. The first thing was like, where are my files? I don't find myself going into my folders as much anymore. And as soon as you take away Alfred, I'm like, okay, I don't know where I'm at. I think it's a very handy little cute app that you never have to open. I never open this part that you're seeing here. I never have to open, and that's why I love it. Oftentimes, you know, with productivity apps, you just forget to use them. I haven't opened Todoist or any of the apps that Ali Abdaal has recommended, to be honest, just because you don't have time in the regular day, right? So this is the first useful app that I use on a regular day-to-day basis that I thought I'd share with you guys. So I really hope that you guys liked the video, and if you guys could give me a like and subscribe, and please let me know if there's any other topics or any other apps that you'd like me to cover, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye. Peace.